Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Family Home Kitchen. Ever wondered how to make the perfect tandoori chicken at home? Well, today we're embarking on a culinary journey to create this vibrant and flavorful dish. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. We'll need 1 kilogram of chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces. For our marinade, we need a cup of natural yogurt, a generous squeeze from 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a symphony of spices. 2 teaspoons each of ground cumin, coriander, curry, and ginger. We'll also add 2 cloves of minced garlic for that extra kick. Season it with salt and pepper to your liking. And finally, we'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil to bring it all together. This combination of ingredients creates a tantalizing blend of flavors that will transport you straight to the bustling streets of India, right from the comfort of your kitchen. Sounds delicious, doesn't it? Now, let's dive into the preparation process. The first step in our journey to a perfect tandoori chicken is marinating. Let's get started with the magic potion that will transform our humble chicken into a culinary masterpiece. First, we'll need a large mixing bowl. To this bowl, add a cup of natural yogurt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and the spices, 2 teaspoons each of ground cumin, coriander, curry, and ginger. Also, throw in a couple of garlic cloves, minced of course. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything well until all the ingredients are harmoniously combined. Now, to this aromatic marinade, add 1 kilogram of chicken breasts, cut into small pieces. Make sure to toss the chicken around in the marinade, ensuring each piece is generously coated. Once that's done, cover the bowl and place it in the refrigerator. It's crucial to let the chicken marinate for at least 2 hours, as this allows the chicken to absorb all the flavors. Now that our chicken is resting and absorbing all those wonderful flavors, we can move on to the next step. With our chicken marinated and ready, it's time to cook. The first step is to preheat your oven. We're aiming for a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius, or roughly 392 degrees Fahrenheit for those using a different scale. This is a crucial step, as a properly heated oven ensures your chicken cooks evenly and achieves that beautiful golden color we're after. While your oven is heating up, let's turn our attention back to our marinated chicken. Take a baking tray and line it with baking paper. This not only helps to keep your tray clean, but it also prevents the chicken from sticking. Now, arrange your marinated chicken pieces on the tray, making sure they are spread out evenly. You don't want them too close together, as this could result in uneven cooking. Next up is a little drizzle of olive oil over the chicken. This adds an extra layer of flavor and helps to get that crispy, golden finish. Just a couple of tablespoons should do the trick. Once your oven has reached the desired temperature, it's time to put the chicken in. Position your tray in the middle of the oven. This is the best spot for even cooking, as it allows the heat to circulate around the chicken properly. Now the cooking time. You're looking at around 25 to 30 minutes in the oven. But remember, ovens can vary, so it's always a good idea to check your chicken a little earlier. You're looking for a beautiful golden color and the chicken to be fully cooked through. If you're unsure, you can always use a meat thermometer. The internal temperature should reach 74 degrees Celsius, or 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you have it, a perfect, golden, and flavorful tandoori chicken. This is a dish that's sure to impress with its aromatic spices and tender, juicy meat. It's a taste of the East, right in your own kitchen. And the best part, it's simpler than you might think. So why not give it a try? You might just find it becomes a new favorite. Our tandoori chicken is not just delicious on its own, but it pairs wonderfully with a variety of sides. Steamed rice and Indian bread, for instance, are the traditional go-tos. The fluffy rice soaks up the flavorful marinade, while the bread helps scoop up every last bit of deliciousness. But let's not forget about the wide array of roasted vegetables that can accompany this dish. Sweet bell peppers, eggplant slices, zucchini, onion, tomatoes, mushrooms, and sweet potatoes, all roasted to perfection, not only add a vibrant splash of color, but also a variety of textures and flavors that complement our star dish. You can season these vegetables with your favorite spices, or simply with salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. The beauty of this tandoori chicken recipe is its versatility. allowing you to adapt it to your personal taste preferences. So there you have it, a simple, delicious, and flavorful tandoori chicken recipe that you can easily make at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking. Happy cooking!